Introducing a popular product in South America and Southeast Asia, practical country. First of all, the characteristics of this country. It is an extended tube. The overall effect is very matching with the car model. It is spliced by two car logo plates. Make this side view look more three-dimensional. It can be customized according to customers' requirements. Customize different logo. Also, look at this basket. It is supported by four reinforced band brackets. It can hold luggage weighing around 100 to 150 kilograms. In the middle, we adopted the station management. It is connected after. It can be adjusted left and right very well. Adapt to different sizes of cars. Another thing is that we will use some. We have reserved two light holes on both sides of the tube. For consumers when using, some work lights or LED lights can be added. Our luggage baskets are made up. A wire with a wire diameter of 3.0 is welded. It can carry luggage well.